Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Philips TV if it won't turn on and you're just seeing a little flashing red light, usually right below the screen. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this fixed your problem, great. If not, this next fix should almost definitely fix your problem. However, it is a factory reset and will reset your settings on your TV. Okay, I want you to look around your TV and see if you can find this little hole. It's usually labeled reset. To do the reset, I usually recommend bending a paper clip to fit in the reset hole. Push the button down for about 15 seconds until you see the TV restart.